Man, I was wondering whatever happened to the Wabbit Bird.
Yeah, you know, he's in prison, right?
Yeah, I told you. He might have been pooping out jelly beans or something. He didn't do that. Well, that bird can talk, and even though he didn't poop candy like that Wabbit, the other rabbit. Well, or Bunny, right? Bunny or Bonnie. I need to stop telling me about that purple bunny again. That thing isn't human, you know. He isn't some kind of rabbit. It's some kind of robot bunny. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh hey there, Rabbit Bird. Or is it Wabbit Bird, right? Okay, Wabbit Bird. So, you don't know why I'm still in prison. Somebody need to clean that up. Okay, it's clean. That's better. Okay, you know why I'm in jail? Okay, so are you sure gonna go to your, what is your life in jail? Before you come back during that Easter day? Yep, even though it's Monday. But I gotta tell you about why I'm in prison, right? Okay, here goes. It's so freaking boring, this jail. How many times do I need to escape this goddamn prison? I can help you. What the? King Dedede, what are you doing there? Well, I can help you. And I heard you might have been in prison, you know. And I think it's pretty much, I think I need some nice time with you. What nice time? Well, if I just do this. Thank you, man. It's pretty comfy in there. Well, let's see it then. Ow. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to. Yeah. Okay, let's do this again. Take a look. I'm balancing. Oh. Huh. Let me do that again. Do it again. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so, or maybe it's even better if I can throw to you. Oh. So what am I gonna do with you? Well, okay. Go on lunch break during that prison. Ah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I can't see something. What are you doing? Take it out. Get off of me. What is it? Wait, you're Darth Vader? Yeah, I just like looking for. Oh, God dang it! Oh my! Yeah. Oh. My great grandson, Hershey. He called me. I'm an uncle of that dude. Well, they got to call you Grandpa. Grandpa Vader. Ha 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 ha. Well, I don't wonder what's inside that goddamn mask. Well, no thank you. I don't want to show you what's inside my mask in my head. Oh. No, so you have like this voice controls. Let's see. You have like an endo. Like an endo head or something. The endo head. The endo skeleton. parts. What? Endoskeleton parts. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Endo parts? Like, why? Well, you told me that. Well, because it looks thinner. Looks a little chunkier than the endoskeleton. Maybe your Vader skeleton? Darth Endo? Darth Endo. What the heck kind of name is it? Darth Endo skeleton. Sick and tired of that stupid bird. Boom. 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 Boom, 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 boom. What the guy are you? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just looking for somebody. I just saw somebody and it must have been the puppet. What kind of puppet? The marionette? Black pajama or something? Black looking pajamas and a white mask. Oh, that kind of marionette? Well, yeah, you know, marionettes come in different shapes and sizes, right? Yeah, I told you, I feel like I'm just need some sleep. Well, can I cuddle with you? Cuddle with you? No, I just sleep with me. Okay. Here, let me sleep with you. What's your problem? Why do you make these noises? Well, like a pig? Come on, you're not a pig, you're a bear. Well, you're a bird and you look like you have rabbit ears. That's my favorite bear butt, right? LMA. LMF. LMAF. Oh, or something. Left my ass off. Left my ass off, huh? That's my favorite bear butt? Yeah. Well, I gotta do that. Go to the goddamn backyard to sleep. Don't let those goddamn bed bugs bite. Huh? What do you want? Oh, it's goddamn Easter Day, so you had to go back to your home. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. So, are you sure you might gonna go back to put eggs at like every location? Okay. Yeah, because if you put a lot of eggs in that location, you could be really lucky because you could put a lot of candy in different places and spots. It's gonna be the greatest Easter egg hunt that every children will have. Heck yeah, Mr. Triceratop. Okay. Triceratops, you meant. Oh, sorry. Alright, going back to my business. To looking out for some crooks. Or some prisoners. And now you're explaining why I'm in prison. Are you sure it's just possibly all that problems in that prison? Like, need some exercise when someone said you... stuck on you on your cape, man. And you tried to get off of that cape? Yeah, and also has some sleeping problems, so that bear tried to make some weird noises, and he said, I guess my hairy bear butt, and it just, like, left my just laugh. Always said LMFAO. Was that right? Laugh my ass off? Yeah. That's really a thing? Yeah, so there's one more thing I didn't clean up. Okay, so are you sure if someone need to go to skateboards? Because I want to, since I need a skateboard, just trying to put all those eggs in different spots, right? Hey man, I'm a real cool dude. You want to go some skateboards? Skateboards. Okay. Hold on to my tail. Okay. Okay, here it goes. Whoa! This is possibly the most stupidest thing I ever seen. Right, buddy, old pal Red? Yep, it is, Louie. Huh, nah. I'm out. Look at me. I'm a spaceman now. Nope. This is real spaceman, you bastard. Nah.